Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Start by creating a full backup to an external drive with at least 100 GB free space. Quit all apps and sign out of iCloud and disable Find My Mac before you erase. Make sure you know your Apple ID and password for later activation steps. When ready, restart the Mac and hold Command and R simultaneously to boot into Mac OS recovery mode. Wait for the spinning globe or recovery utilities to appear before proceeding. Once in recovery, open Disk Utility and select the startup disk named Macintosh HD. Click Erase and choose Apps as the format when prompted for High Sierra. Name the volume Macintosh HD and confirm the erase to wipe the disk completely. Wait for the erase process to finish before closing Disk Utility. After closing Disk Utility, select Reinstall Mac OS from the recovery menu to begin downloading the installer and installing a clean system. Allow the Reinstall Mac OS utility to download and install the system fully over your internet connection. After the Mac restarts, follow the Setup Assistant prompts and create a new admin account to begin using the Mac. If you need files back, choose Restore from Time Machine Backup during setup or later in Migration Assistant. Sign in with your Apple ID to restore iCloud data and enable services. Optionally enable File Vault for disk.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.